Imagine waking up one morning and seeing Bitcoin at $100,000, even $200,000. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you that history suggests this might actually happen soon? Bitcoin just went through its 2024 halving, and if you missed the last bull run, this might be your final chance before Bitcoin skyrockets. The question is, are you ready for it? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll break down exactly why Bitcoin's price could explode, when it might happen, and what you should do right now. Let's dive in. Every 4 years, something massive happens in the crypto world. Bitcoin halving. It's not just a random event. It's a built-in feature that reduces the Bitcoin supply. Here's what happens. Every 10 minutes, new Bitcoins are mined. Before the halving, miners earned 6.25 BTC per block. But after the 2024 halving, they only get 3.125 BTC. This means less Bitcoin entering circulation, while demand keeps increasing. And guess what happens when supply drops but demand stays strong? Price surge! Let's look at history. 2012 halving. Bitcoin was $12. 1.5 years later, it hit $1,000. 2016 halving. BTC was $650. Next bull run, $20,000. 2020 halving. BTC was $8,000 and boom, it hit $69,000. Now, 2024's halving just happened. So, what's next? Experts like Cathie Wood, Michael Saylor, and even BlackRock are predicting 150K to 500K Bitcoin within the next 12 to 24 months. But here's the thing, the biggest gains always come before the masses realize what's happening. So if history repeats itself, we're looking at a massive bull run in late 2024 and 2025. The question is, are you positioned for it? Here are 3 steps to prepare right now. Don't chase. Accumulate. Buying during dips is the key. Diversify smartly. Ethereum and altcoins will also pump. Think long-term. Bitcoin is not just a trade. It's a movement.
Bitcoin halvings have changed lives before, and this could be your last chance before the next big wave. So what do you think? Will Bitcoin hit 100K or even 500K? Drop your predictions in the comments below. And if you want more crypto insights and early opportunities, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for weekly updates. See you in the next one.